Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button for my future videos. Thank you.
Fernandong Juan Jr. Ito ang gusto ko ipalit. Maganda pong katawan nito, buong buo. Kita mo yung shoulder niya, broad shoulder siya, high station, corn yellow feet. Kaya lang yung buntot niya, it's not so long because he's only about 7.5 months old. So if you're gonna use him October, November, perfect po ito. He's 7.5 months old. Ito ang gusto ko ipalit sa original na sweater na pili mo kasi parang kulang po yung katawan. Ayoko ipadala sa inyo, sir. Medyo mapapahiya kami. Medyo hindi maayos yung katawan niya. Pero ito po, buong buo. This is the 7.5 months old po. Good morning po, Mr. Lucas. These are the two, actually 4 yan sila. They're all sisters po. Lemon 84s. Pareho po sila. Yan po. Magaganda po yung station. Buong buo yung katawan. Ito po isa. Yan o. Magaganda po ito. Well balanced. Bata pa po sila, mga 1-year-old. So, this is where I will choose the two Lemon 84s for you. These are pure lemons, Ducalci lemon, bullet. There. They're all sisters. Maganda na po yung mga station, balance po yung mga katawan, balance po yung mga buntot. Pwede, ready to breed na po ito. Yan. Ducalci lemon. These are pure lemons, Ducalci lemon, bullet. There. They're all sisters. Maganda na po yung mga station, balance po yung mga katawan, balance po yung mga buntot. Pwede, ready to breed na po ito. Yan. Ducalci lemon. This is our white Kelso pen. This is the broodcock, brood this side. And those are the pullets. White Kelso. First time to be let out. This is a month and 3 days old. There. First time. Hugas kamot to. Kaya nag-ano ka. Nandun sa masakit. Hugas lang man kinakamot. More than 400 chickens. 400 chicks more. First thing they did was to eat grass. There's some more inside.
Iya, ini serius. Lagi no.